Here's how to rate your Lyft driver after a ride. Now, why it actually matters? Well, first, once your ride ends, the Lyft app will automatically bring up the rate your driver screen. You will see 5 stars. Tap to give you a rating based on how the ride went. Now, 5 stars means everything went smoothly, while anything lower tells Lyft that there may have been a problem. You can also leave optional feedback. If the car was super clean, the driver was friendly, or the music was really great, let them know. If something was off, like a bad route or uncomfortable behavior, you can include that too. Your feedback helps Lyft improve and keeps the platform safe for everyone. If you missed the rating screen, don't worry. Just open the app, go to ride history, tap the ride you won, and scroll to rate and leave feedback later. Lyft usually allows a limited window up to 72 hours to go back and rate past rides. So don't skip it. It's a small step that actually makes a big difference. If this helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick app tips and drop a comment. If there's another Lyft feature you want explained.